3, 2, 1.
Which newly acquired player, upon seeing Nomar Garciaparra leaving the Red Sox clubhouse the day of the 2004 trading deadline, said, "Please tell me I wasn't traded for Nomar"? The answer is B. Doug Mieskiewicz. What state of matter is like a liquid in that particles are in contact with each other, but unlike liquids in that the intermolecular forces are strong enough to hold the particles in place? The answer is D. Solids. Who is known as the father of modern philosophy? The answer is D. René Descartes. Which tool is used for screwing and unscrewing screws? The answer is A. Wrench. What term means the abnormal or excessive extension of a joint, particularly a hinged joint, beyond its normal range of motion, thus resulting in injury? The answer is B. Hyperextension. What does the term firewall refer to in computer networks? The answer is C. A network security system. What is the largest living creature on Earth?
The answer is A. Blue whale.
Which household item cleans floors and carpets? The answer is A. Vacuum cleaner. I'm often seen carrying the scales of justice, but I have no hands. Who am I? The answer is B. Justice. What type of character is Samus from the Metroid video game? The answer is C. Human female. What is the name of the compound with formula HCl? The answer is B. Hydrochloric acid. In order to double down in a game of blackjack, your two cards must total exactly what number? The answer is B. Any number. What can you write on but erase and reuse? The answer is D. Whiteboard. Mating with no strong pair bonds is called? The answer is A. Promiscuous. The deepest river canyon is located on which river? The answer is A. Grand Canyon, Colorado. What is the name of the dwarf planet beyond Neptune? The answer is A. Pluto. I'm a mighty warrior, yet my weapons are water drops. Who am I? The answer is C. Rain. In 1994 we broke out our tissue boxes as we watched Andy Garcia struggle with his wife, played by Meg Ryan. Alcoholism in what film? The answer is C. When a Man Loves a Woman. Who won the first ever Olympic gold medal in men's singles tennis in 1896? The answer is A. John McEnroe. What property makes bone marrow cells ideal for gene therapy? The answer is C, lifelong reproduction. The Mississippi River empties into which ocean? The answer is C, Indian. Which novel features the characters Atticus Finch and Scout? The answer is B, The Great Gatsby. The Danube flows through how many countries? The answer is C, 11. Which artist is known for his pop art paintings featuring consumer culture? The answer is C, Andy Warhol. What Roman deity is equivalent to Greek Dionysus? The answer is A, Bacchus. What is the name of a long and low hill of sediments which have been deposited by a glacier? The answer is D, a drumlin. What's vast, dark, and has 1,000,000 light years to spare? The answer is D, universe. What happens when oil is placed in water? The answer is D, the oil floats on top of the water. Which programming language is used for web development front-end? The answer is A, Python. What is the meaning of the term blood diamond? The answer is C, diamond used for financing wars. What was the first computer to be marketed to the public? The answer is D, Altair 8800. What does the name Joseph or Yosef mean according to the Bible? The answer is C, may Yahweh add another son for me. Which ancient fish has just 2 living species and is at risk of extinction? The answer is A, coelacanths. A radio station broadcasting across a large area is experiencing thunderstorms. How will the radio waves from the station be affected? The answer is C, frequency will be distorted. What is the name given to the study of the properties, composition, and structure of crystalline solids? The answer is B, inorganic chemistry. In what northeastern state did the first daily newspaper originate? The answer is D, Pennsylvania. What was the name of the first spacecraft to study Mars? The answer is B, Mariner 4. What is the ultimate source of energy for all life on Earth? The answer is C, the sun. Amanda is learning about different adaptations of animals, which is an example of a behavioral adaptation. The answer is B. Migration of songbirds. Which mountain range runs along the west coast of North America? The answer is B. Rockies. Which of these is not a book from the Apprentice Adept series by Piers Anthony? The answer is C. Prosthoplus. What do you use to open jars? The answer is D. Jar opener. Which best explains why the total mass of the product S would be less than the total weight of the reactant S after a chemical reaction? The answer is D. Gases were released to the atmosphere. A pitcher throws a 0.15 kg baseball at 4340 m/s toward the catcher. What is the momentum of the baseball while moving at 40 m/s? The answer is C. 6.0 kg/x m/s. What important thing did Einstein do on August 2, 1939? The answer is D. He wrote a letter. Which fashion designer was known for his new look post WW2? The answer is C. Christian Dior. Of the following types of cells, which has the highest concentration of mitochondria? The answer is B. Muscle. What organ is joined to the hyoid bone? The answer is C. Tongue. Who is the youngest player to score a hat-trick in a World Cup? The answer is A. Pelé. Which fashion accessory is typically associated with the 60s?